Trying to access your router's settings, but the usual addresses like 192.168.1.1 aren't working? Your router might be using a less common gateway, like 192.168.0.2. If that's the case, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate router or modem default settings. To get default login username and password, check router or modem label. Step 2. Connect to your modem or router. First, connect your computer or phone to the modem either using default Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Step 3. Access router settings. Open a browser and type 192.168.0.2 in the address bar and press enter. You will get router login page. Use default username and password to login. After login, go to wireless settings from left side menu and change 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi SSID and save settings. After SSID name change, you need to connect again your mobile or laptop and go to security option from left side menu and change Wi-Fi password. After save settings, you need to connect all Wi-Fi device again with new Wi-Fi name and password. Troubleshooting. If 192.168.0.2 doesn't work, check your modem's correct IP. Ensure you're connected to the modem's network. Disable VPN or proxy servers. Reset the modem. Locate reset button backside or bottom side. Use pen or paper clip to press button. Hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Router will restore to default settings. Login and set up again. That's it. You're now in control of your network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more login guide. Thanks for watching.